How to add OneNote to Microsoft Teams. You can use OneNote within Microsoft Teams. In this guide, we'll outline the steps to install, manage, and remove the app on Windows 10. If Microsoft Teams and OneNote are already part of your daily work routine, instead of switching back and forth between apps and using additional steps to share notebooks with colleagues, you can install the OneNote app on Teams to simplify the experience. Once the app is added to Microsoft Teams, you can add new or existing notebooks to share content, such as lists, notes, drawings, etc., and collaborate with colleagues without breaking your workflow. In this Windows 10 guide, we'll walk you through the steps to integrate OneNote into Microsoft Teams. Quick tip, you'll also notice an option to open an existing notebook using a link. But it's only supported for notebooks hosted in SharePoint or OneDrive for Business. Once you complete the steps, the notebook will be created in the Microsoft Teams storage, and anyone in the channel will be able to see and modify its contents. Microsoft Teams allows you to communicate and collaborate with colleagues, upload files, and chat through video. It integrates with Microsoft 365 and many other cloud services. The action to remove doesn't delete the notebook and its content. It only removes it from the Teams experience. If you want to delete the notebook, you need to do it from the Files tab. If the notebook you're trying to delete isn't in the Files tab, make sure you're in the correct chat or team. You can also check the Files section from the left pane and see if the file appears under the OneDrive section. After you complete the steps, the app will be uninstalled from the team. Same as removing a notebook. Uninstalling the app doesn't delete the notebooks or their contents. Alternatively, you can also right-click the OneNote icon from the left pane and click the uninstall button to remove it. For more helpful articles, coverage, and answers to common questions about Windows 10, visit the following resources. The Financial Times reports that as part of negotiations, Microsoft is now inquiring whether it can buy all of TikTok, instead of just the business in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. This new plan would include India and Europe, and excluding China. Need even more Surface Duo in your life? Check out the latest Android Central podcast, in which Daniel Rubino and Daniel Batter, double the Dans, discuss Surface Duo, Microsoft's Samsung love affair, and Project X Cloud. There are many Windows 10 tablets on the market, but it's hard to sort through the rubbish. Here's our picks for the best Windows 10 tablets you can buy right now. At the top of our list is the Surface Pro X, which we think is the best due to its ARM processor, large display, and thin form factor while still packing good battery life and excellent performance. You just purchased a new PC and set it up, and now you're looking for some great apps. Look no further. These are the best apps for your new Windows 10 PC. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Text source: windowscentral.com.